Come on. Sorry. We've got to have a bloopers reel.
Can you taste the salted flavours that are...
We'll try some. Cut.
So I want to delete that and I can't seem to do it.
Press delete. I do that. How beautiful are peacock feathers?
Yeah!
For now.
That's when you break Rachel's rule and you make it really high. On a spot like me.
GD rocks!
And we've been able to achieve all of that after a tequila.
Nice.
Hi, how are you
doing?
Well, this is my alter ego, Woofer.
What was the first animal you ever photographed?
That was my Willie. No, actually, it wouldn't have been the first animal I ever photographed. Some wildlife, I'd imagine, but my first major subject was my Willie. Some people are surprised when they see how big and ginger he is. These Willie jokes never get old.
What happens if I run?
Win is going to show us around. Say hi.
Well, this song is about the troubles I had in primary school, and mainly about the teachers.
Awesome. Oh, I can't wait. What's your favourite bit of the clip?
That it exists.
Let's record some of that.
So that would have to come down.
So that would come down, see?
Oh, God.
That's why I didn't want to say action.
I know. Okay, all right.
Betty, come on.
Hello. I'm Mylene Boller.
Can't wait for today. We're filming in the forest again for day 3.
I'm seeing from this angle, this looks good. Yeah. It's starting to rain.
Fair enough.
When the dentist Tuesday, you've done this and that, and after 40 minutes, I told the dentist, we'll have lunch together, mate. I'll buy you Chinese lunch.
So can you see the difference?
Yeah.